Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those new to my channel, my name is Banke, and for those coming back again, thank you for joining me. Today I've actually got something kind of special. One, because it's my birthday today. That is today that I get to push this button, well, the video live, and also I get to open my special birthday present with you guys. So it's an unboxing video and it's something kind of special to me, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Before I get into it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you kind of like what you see, and find me on Instagram at Astylediary with an underscore. So yes, let's get into this, shall we? I'm kind of going through what inspired this new item. I kind of wanted to treat myself, so I don't treat myself that often, and I will be very honest with you guys, I'm not the type to go out and just splurge for the sake of splurging, and I wanted something kind of cool, something kind of different, something I would wear for a long time, and something that would make me feel quite mature and would make me feel appreciative of myself for all the hard work that I do. I mean, I work full-time, I work on the blog, and I do so many other things as well, and it's just kind of like a personal appreciation. I'm not really the type to overly celebrate my birthdays, but I think as I'm getting older, a little bit of appreciation kind of goes a long way. So this is kind of like, for me, a pat on the back saying, you know, well done for another year that you've achieved, or you've done the things that you want to do, and for continuous journey of achievement, and you know, just appreciate yourself. So it's nothing, I mean, to people it's not going to be big, but I think for me this is quite big. Yeah, I know I'm rambling, but I really need you guys to understand where this is coming from, and I'm totally appreciative and thankful for the fact that I can actually do this for myself as well. It's from Luisa Via Roma, and I will show you what's in this box. It's nicely wrapped and everything. You guys can see the bow, it's nicely wrapped. I mean, I've had a pick as well and I know what's in there, so but we will do this unboxing together. I'll just take that off. I'll see if I can do this one-handed. If I can't do it one-handed, then I'll just put it on my lap and open it. Oh my god, this feels so good. And it comes in a dust bag. You guys can see like a little red thing at the bottom, right? Wait. Ta-da! It's the Rock Stud ethnic frame leather bag. Now guys, look at this. How gorgeous is this? I mean, I haven't taken off the tags or anything, but guys, how beautiful is this bad boy? So they do the Rock Stud bags like all year round and in different colors, but the ethnic framed ones, like this collection, is actually quite limited. I called up Harrods, Selfridges, I went to the Valentino store, and literally went high and low for this bag and it wasn't anywhere, apart from Luisa Via Roma. And also comes in a nice black color and also like a creamish color. I think it's cream, but I'm a red girl. So we'll go inside, take off all the bits and bobs. Guys, I'm in love with this bag. So it's actually quite spacious. In here, at least I can fit my card holder, my phone, my little camera, so my G7X, and maybe like a lipstick or whatever it is. But I think this is a very good size for every day. So I would carry this every day, basically. And that's what it's for. I wanted something I could use from like day to night, so take it out on a casual day and with like jeans or whatever, and still also something that would stand out to like an evening dress, which I don't do often, but who knows. So that's where the bag strap goes across, and it comes all the way out and all the way around. I'm gonna drop the buckle as well for you guys to see. It comes with all the certifications and extra studs in there, which I'm not gonna remove yet. And yeah, it's very spacious inside. It comes with buckles on the strap, so we'll see how long this is. So it's a cross shoulder bag, and I like cross shoulder bags because they're more comfortable for me. I don't know, I just find them slightly more comfortable. It comes with 5 buckle holes, and let's do that up. Guys, I'm really excited, right? I don't know if you guys can see how excited I am, but I'm super excited. So there you go, that's how long it is, and I can obviously just wear it across. Let's push this back. You guys can see how long it comes. So it's a very nice length, and I can see myself just totally wearing this all the time. Also guys, just to give you like a quick feedback of my shopping experience on Luisa Via Roma, it was really good. I've been browsing on the website for so long, like for years, but I never bought anything on there. Again, because consuming luxury, I've always consumed luxury in a way that I have to actually see the products and feel it and kind of like fall in love with it, right? So it was kind of new for me buying something that I hadn't even seen in stores. Like I said to you guys, it was not anywhere in any stores, so it was literally just on Luisa Via Roma, and I had to just plunge in and go, I love this bag based on what I see on the website. So yes guys, thank you for joining me. I hope you have kind of enjoyed this video. You're going to see me wearing this a lot on my Instagram, so once again, don't forget to find me on Instagram, how I will be wearing and styling this bag. It's a very nice color pop as well, so you know I'm not going to be going wrong with this. And yes, I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy. Bye.